Chief Justice, Hon'Ble Justice Munishwar Nath Bhandari, is bar-friendly, a patient but firm judge who constantly endeavors to fulfill the needs of the bar and has always emphasized on good bar-bench relations for the smooth functioning of the court. He knows the art of making us feel at home, and the next minute leaves us searching for answers to his sharp questions, which showcases his in-depth knowledge in all subjects. We now request him to deliver the welcome address.
Vanakkam, and this is one word I could learn in Tamil, and to my mind this is the best word to learn otherwise. Though I have learned many other words and I can share with you at some other time. Anyway, very good morning to one and all present here. The Madras I could feel extremely honored by the presence of Justice N.B. Ramanna, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Mr. M.K. Stalin, Honorable Chief Minister of State of Tamil Nadu, Justice V. Ramasubramaniam and Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judges of Supreme Court, Mr. S. Raghupati, Minister of Law, State of Tamil Nadu, my esteemed brother and sister judges, Justice P. Sadasivam, former Chief Justice of India, coming from this court itself, Advocate General of State of Tamil Nadu, the AG Shankaranarayan, former judges of Madras High Court, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, the Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, P.S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, President and Secretaries of all the Bar Associations, Chief Secretary and Secretaries of the State Government, Director General of Police, Police Commissioner and other police officers, Senior Advocates and Member of Bar, Registrar General and Member of the Registry of Madras High Court, members of media, other dignitaries of the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Today is another important day in the annals of prestigious Chartered High Court, the High Court of Madras, to have the honor and privilege of august presence of Karta of Indian Judiciary, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, in this historic and magnificent Temple of Justice of State of Tamil Nadu. One more occasion which was disclosed prior to my disclosure. On this day, unfortunately, coincide with the scheduled event and icing on the cake. On this day, His Lordship, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, is completing 1 year since assumption of office as the Chief Justice of India. We wish Your Lordship good health and happiness. And one more announce, this is the first visit of the Honorable Chief Justice to Madras High Court. It's a great moment for us and it's a proud moment for us. We are grateful to Your Lordship for having accepted our invitation to grace the occasion and to be with us today. Your Lordship's path-breaking and life-spirited judgment speak volume on Your Lordship's concern and interest for independent and vibrant judiciary and speedy justice delivery system for the poor people of the country. Umpteen number of Lordship's judgment highlighted the need of better justice delivery system for the protection of the rights of and liberties of the poor, downtrodden, unprivileged, marginalized section of the society. The Indian judiciary, under Your Lordship's leadership, is asserting impartial and independent rule of law. Your Lordship's keen interest and deep commitment for the robust and adequate infrastructure facility to the judiciary, and here I would be making an announcement that Your Lordship, after assumption of the charge, constitute a corporation to to look after the infrastructural issues of all the courts. This was devised for the first time because at times, on account of inadequate infrastructural facilities to court, the system is affected. So, great effort by your lordships for that reason. And it was at all level of the hierarchy with long-term visionary goal is unparalleled. Your lordship has left no stone unturned in attending and strengthening the infrastructure facility for the judiciary. It is apart from creating additional courts, increase in the strength of judges and judicial officers, building formation, technology, it was felt necessary for the speedy justice and clearing the backlog of the cases daunting the High Court and District Judiciary of the country. As a part of such mission and endeavor, your lordship today is with us to inaugurate the additional infrastructural facilities for the state judiciary of the Tamil Nadu. On behalf of myself and my brother and sister judges and all other dignitaries, I extend your lordship a very warm and hearty welcome to Madras High Court for first visit. It is our honor and privilege to welcome Mr. M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister of State of Tamil Nadu, who has again made maiden visit to the High Court as the Chief Minister of the state. The state government, under his leadership, has decided to cater the infrastructural need of the Madras High Court and District Judiciary. Recently, the state government has granted approval for the assignment of 4.2 acres of the land near the Madras High Court campus for construction. This is again construction of the combined court complex building, for which we are going to take steps immediately because we have already given the letter to assign the land, and it would to construct presently 116 courts for a combined court complex near the High Court building itself. Honorable Justice Rama Subramaniam and Justice M.M. Sundaresh, judges of the Supreme Court, are son of the soils, who had spent most part of their lives in this premises with you, thus needs no reference. The honorable judges are miles away. Presently, their mind and soul are part and parcel of the prestigious institution. Time will indicate to elaborate their lordships' fine qualities and judicial wisdom. I thank your lordship for accepting our invitation and being with us today. I welcome both of you for parental abode. I also welcome the former Chief Justice of India, Justice P. Sadasivam, who is with us on a short invitation. I am grateful to him. I welcome all the former judges of Madras High Court and other dignitaries. All the judges I may not have met, all retired judges, but it is a personal welcome on this occasion. And other dignitaries on and off the dais who are gracing the occasion with their presence. Paucity of time restrained me from welcoming the dignitaries individually by their names, so I may be excused for that. The High Court of Madras, endowed with legacy and great tradition, culture and judicial wisdom, for effective and efficient justice delivery system, meeting the expectation of the society. The judiciary need to be armed with adequate infrastructure. The building of infrastructure should be not only to meet the present exigencies, but with a long-term vision to meet future expansion of the system and even the court management. Today's event, laying the foundation stone by the Honorable Chief Justice of India for massive 9-storied building in the High Court campus, is a much awaited necessity of the High Court to accommodate various administrative sections of the registry under one roof. With the construction of 9-storied building, we would be in a position to shift all administrative setup in one building under one roof. The inauguration of the commercial court in renovated Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court at Egmore is a fusion of heritage and modern concept I personally seen that building and I would urge and request to see after renovation how it has come up. It's a beautiful building. The commercial court, a modern task, mechanisms for disposal of the commercial dispute are accommodated in the renovated heritage building of erstwhile Metropolitan Magistrate of Court. The heritage building was renovated, maintained in the original aesthetic and agriculture design. The architecture and whoever was involved therein has taken care that heritage of the building is maintained and beautiful work has been done. So I extend my sincere congratulations to the member of PWD and all who are connected with that. As regards the improvement in infrastructure of the district judiciary of the state, the inauguration of new combined court building with post-attached house for the judicial officer at Namakkal district and newly constructed combined complex at Chakarapuram, Vilpuram district with 2 courts and post-attached houses for the judicial officer would cater to the need of litigants and the judicial officers. The inauguration of new projects for the High Court and the District Court by the Honorable Chief Justice of India undoubtedly improve the efficiency of justice delivery system and disposal of the litigation and ultimately benefit the litigants and the society at large. Before I resume, I once again welcome Honorable Chief Justice of India, Judges of Supreme Court and other dignitaries to attend this function. My sincere thanks to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.